Welcome to VD Decode channel.
ChatGPT is brilliantly smart, but right now we are stuck acting as its manual delivery system, spending our day copying its answers and pasting them into other apps. A standard language model is essentially a brain in a jar. It can think and generate text, but it has no digital hands. It cannot click buttons or move files on its own. This is where an AI agent is different. An agent is that same brain, but equipped with digital hands. It can create a plan, navigate a computer environment, and take action autonomously. If you ask a standard AI to write code, it hands you a block of text and leaves you to deal with it. An agent actually logs into your server, prepares the environment, and puts that code to work while you do something else. True automation can only happen when we stop using AI that just talks to us and start using AI that can act on our behalf. The problem is that software apps don't all speak the same language. Traditionally, letting an AI use a new tool required a developer to write custom code for that specific connection. Connecting one AI to Gmail, Excel, and accounting software meant maintaining 3 different, brittle custom languages. This makes it almost impossible to connect an AI to everything we use at work. Without a universal way for AI to speak to all our software, these models will stay isolated in a browser tab instead of becoming useful digital workers. There is a new solution called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. You can think of it as a universal USB-C cable for artificial intelligence. MCP instantly connects any AI to any software, removing custom developer bridges. The agent asks the app for its capabilities, receives a machine-readable menu of tools like Search Database, and executes the sequence autonomously. This changes how software is built. Instead of needing custom connections, any program that uses this protocol becomes a tool that any AI can use immediately. These autonomous workflows are already starting to handle complex financial tasks for businesses in India. With the Razorpay integration, you can simply type a command to a chatbot, and the AI will generate and send a WhatsApp payment link to a customer without you ever opening a dashboard. For accounting, an MCP connection lets an AI plug directly into your local Tally Prime data. You can ask questions about your trial balance or expenses in plain English, and the AI pulls the answer directly from your offline records. There is even a tool for government services, like ID verification. While an agent processes your vendor data, it can automatically check tax IDs and PAN cards against official records to make sure everything is valid. Indian businesses using these tools can now manage their entire financial workflow through a simple conversation, rather than spending hours clicking through software menus. In the past, humans were the glue that moved data between browser tabs. Today, that work is moving into the background. These agents handle repetitive, data-heavy tasks. This shifts your role from manual entry toward high-level strategy, directing how the work gets done. Your value is changing. Instead of executing every task, you become the manager of specialized digital workers. Software is becoming more autonomous. Soon, applications with AI access will feel outdated and inefficient, requiring too much manual effort. The future belongs to those who learn to manage these systems, rather than those who try to outwork them manually. Simply put, the AI is the brain, the agent is the digital worker, and MCP is the universal cable connecting them to the real world. Look at your own work this week. Find the tasks where you are just moving data from one tab to another. Those are the first things an agent can do for you. Learning how these systems connect is the key to working smarter. Subscribe to VD Decode to keep up with how these tools are changing.